I don't suppose they told you anything in Denver about the tragedy we had up here during the winter of 1970? Well, a man named Charles Grady is the winter caretaker. And he came up here with his wife and two little girls, I think about 8 and 10. From what I've been told, I mean, he seemed like a completely normal individual. But at some point during the winter, he must have suffered some kind of a complete mental breakdown. He ran amok and killed his family with an axe.
You can rest assured, Mr. Ullman, that's not gonna happen with me.
Mom?
Yeah?
Do you really want to go and live in that hotel for the winter?
Sure I do. It'll be lots of fun.
Yeah, I guess so.
For some people, solitude and isolation can of itself become a problem.
What do you do? They killed you and Danny.
You did this to me. Didn't you? How could you? How could you?
Here's Johnny!
Come play with us.
Do you want to play Settlers of Catan? How about Mario Kart? You okay?
Tony, I'm scared.
Remember what Mr. Halloran said. It's just like pictured in a book, Danny. It isn't real. He's freaking me out.
He cry. Just go for the psychotic kid that's killing people.
Okay.
Wait, go.
Here's Johnny!
Try again.
Here's Johnny!
Wait, just talking normal. You gotta talk crazy.
This is battle mode. Gotcha. Aw. We did around with him.
I hope you are ready for a turtle. Oh, hey,
Protect your own.
You're a monkey boot if you don't get out of there.
Thanks, Jack Nicholson.
How could you? Yeah, we can't use that.
Here's Johnny!
I'm gonna slap you. Make you crazy.
Here's Johnny!
Oh, mama. Okay, that's enough.